Hey, what's up, Filecoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Filecoin. What's the current price of Filecoin? What's the price in so the Filecoin? In this video, I will show you, my friends. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the tomorrow price of Filecoin. Is Filecoin give you profit tomorrow or not? In this video, I will show you, my friends. My friends, at this time, the latest price of the Filecoin is 66.44 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Filecoin. Other side, if you look the BTC Bitcoin price of the Filecoin, so 0.00183945 BTC is the currently price of the Filecoin in the market. And if we look the more updates of the Filecoin, so the market cap is here, 24 hours trading volume is here, available supply is here, total supply every update is you can see here on this time. And my friends, you can see the last 1 hour pricing is negative 0.53%, last 24 hours pricing is positive 0.58%, in last 1 week pricing is occurring in the Filecoin is negative, my friends. So from yesterday the price will pump, and now still they are in the pumping mood, but now the currently pricing in the last hour, in the last 60 minutes the pricing is negative, but I think that it's a temporary, my friends. There's a temporary fast. With the passage of time the price will again start pump. You can see here, my friends. Now at this time you can see a video technical analysis of the Filecoin. So let's suppose that is the resistance line and that is a support line, my friends. And you can see this time fast down occur, and now gradually start moving upward, and now again fast down. So maybe, my friends, the price fast down for some time, for 2 to 6 7 hours, but after 6-7 hours the price will again pump. After some passage of time the price will again pump. So if the price will pump, so that's mean that Filecoin will give you profit, my friends. So tomorrow is a profit day. Congratulations to all Filecoin holders on the basis of technical analysis. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.